Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Flux Coin. The situation of Flux Coin as compared to other altcoins is not as that much good. We can see that it was having a nice support of a falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame, and it has broken down this support. And in today's video, we will take a look whether Flux will be able to break out this previous support as a resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that here we had several bounces previously. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here as well. And this was our previous support, a downtrend line support, and that was in fact the support of a falling wedge pattern. And you can see that whenever price line was hitting this support, it was getting bounced, and we were having nice rallies. And here we had the resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern. You can see that we have several rejections here and several rejections here by the resistance as well. And finally, we have broken down this support of the falling wedge pattern. And after breaking down this support of the falling wedge, you can see it moved up and retested the previous level of support of the falling wedge pattern as a resistance and moved down. If we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that we have several rejections, like we were rejected here, and we were again rejected here, and almost here as well. And right now it is accumulated well just below the support of this falling wedge pattern. If we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here we can see, by the way, this is not the daily, this is 4-hour time frame, and this triangle can be also visible on the daily time frame chart as well, but more visible on the 4-hour time frame. And we can see that it has formed a descending triangle, and you can see that the movement of the descending triangle is quite squeezed. And right now you can see that the movement is also moving slightly to the upside, therefore it can be also an uptrend line support as well. But we have a very strong support here at 64 cents, therefore I'm following this support of the triangle. However, you can also consider it as a symmetrical triangle as well, but more touch points you can see we have here at the support. And the price line is testing the support more than the resistance. That is a bit critical, because if we are testing the support more than the resistance, so it means that at any time the price line can break down the support rather than the resistance. But if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hourly, on the same 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see here Bitcoin has already broken out the resistance of a descending triangle on the 4-hour time frame chart and on the hourly time frame chart. Recently Bitcoin has broken out another triangle, and this time it was ascending triangle, and it has broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle. Therefore I'm expecting that Flux can also follow the move of the Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin starts a smaller move from here, then Flux coin can also break out the resistance of the triangle. And if I show you the target, let me show you first the target to the downside. In case of breakdown, that will be another very downward move from here, approximately at 42 cents. But in case of breakout, we can see our target to the upside will be approximately at $1.09. And if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here on the bigger falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame, then you can see it is showing us the reflection or projection here inside the falling wedge pattern. And it means that if we will break out the triangle, then there will be also breaking out of this resistance that was previously working as a support of the wedge. It can also break out this resistance and re-enter the falling wedge pattern. And for example, if it will reach the resistance of the falling wedge, that will be at $1.22. And in case of breakout, our target for this falling wedge pattern will be remain here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately $3.45. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.